And today we'll make the best chocolate cookies of your life.
I think it's chocolate chip cookies.
Oh my God, yes, you're right. I discovered this recipe maybe 3 years ago and I fell in love with it right away. And not only I fell in love with it, but all my neighbors, all my friends. Cookies are meant to be shared, right? You don't make one cookie, you make 30 cookies. It's a little piece of happiness in a bag. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new episode of Franco Cooks. My name is Franco Noriega. I am a model, chef, and entrepreneur. And today we'll make the best chocolate chip cookies of your life. For this recipe, we're gonna cream the butter. I have 1 cup of butter right here, and 1 cup of white sugar, and also 1 cup of brown sugar. So basically, we're creaming the butter with the sugar. We're gonna make sure it's really nicely and creamed and introduced in that way. And then we're gonna add the eggs right after. Okay guys, now we're gonna add the eggs. We're gonna do 1 egg at a time. 1. We're gonna add a second egg right there. And we're also gonna add some vanilla extract. I love vanilla extract, so you can be as generous as you like. I like to add like 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And here I have some baking soda with a little bit of salt. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Just like that. Make sure it's dissolved and insert it into the batter. I'm gonna go a little bit faster here. You can see how everything is already mixing and incorporating. And once you see that everything is pretty well mixed, we can add the flour, okay? So make sure you go on a low speed so you don't get flour everywhere. We have 3 cups of flour for this cookie dough. I mean, you'll be able to make at least 30 to 40 cookies, depending on the size, or 15 giant cookies, up to you. Perfect. We're gonna mix everything so it's crumbly. You don't wanna mix too hard because you wanna make sure that the cookie is smooth and chunky and chewy, so we don't wanna mix for too long. So once you have everything incorporated, you can do a quick mix just like that, and then turn it off. I think we are done here with our mix. And then we're gonna incorporate the chocolate cookies, but we'll do it by hand because we don't wanna over mix the cookie butter. And this is a trick that I got from Martha Stewart actually, where she says not to over mix the cookie butter because then you lose chewiness and crumbleness out of the cookie. I have 2 cups of chocolate chips, just like that. And what you do is you just mix them really well. You could use your hands, you could use a spoon. I mean, and you can form your chocolate cookies however you like. I like to form mine with my hand. I like to get a piece, and depending on the size of your cookie, I mean, I think this is a good size. And what you do is you do little rolls, because then eventually they will open up. So you want to make sure that you space them nice enough to have, you know, maybe like 6 to 8 cookies per pan. And like 6 here. That's right. It's such a simple recipe, but I love the flavor so much. It's such a nice flavor profile, and it's super easy to make. This recipe shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. An important thing is you need to preheat your oven before you start your recipe at 350 degrees. I'm gonna introduce the cookies, and I'm gonna bake them for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll go from there. Now let's wait. Okay guys, so we have the chocolate chip cookies ready for us to try. I'm gonna crop this in half. Wow, look at this. Lots of chocolate in the inside. Let's try it. It's so good. It's crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. You're gonna love this recipe. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure to also check out my website, franconoriega.com, for updates. I'll see you on the next video of Franco Cooks. Sending you a big kiss. Until next time.